we are going to look at the sentence that you want to choose to say about your business in 2023. The one sentence that will define your business. Like, I have a plan in place for success and profit, my coaching business. That one sentence, you guys, will change your business results. Because if you take the time to work out that plan and then you practice thinking that thought, remembering that thought, and going back to your plan, you guys, it will keep you on the path to success. When you have a plan in place, you experience a lot less overwhelm. Hello, I'm Debbie Shadid, the host of the Life Coach Business Building Podcast. If you are ready to have more clients in your life coach business, then you're in the right spot. Each week, I'm going to teach you super simple strategies to grow your business without feeling overwhelmed and without spending money on paid ads. Now, if that sounds interesting, stick around and let's get started. All right, I want to ask you, did you make money in your coaching business this year? If you didn't, did you actually have a business plan in place? Have you ever considered making a business plan? If you have not made a business plan, you're going to want to listen up today, because let me tell you, here's the bottom line. Coaches that are successful, that are making the kind of money that we all aspire to make, they have a plan and they follow the plan. That creates consistency in their business. It also sets up a way for them to gauge their success because they have something that is measurable. Now, let's talk about why you want to create a business plan. And it does not matter where you are in your business. If you are just beginning, then more power to you. We will get you on track from the very beginning. I want to invite you to join me for the Ultimate Planning Workshop. It is December 12th and December 14th. Head over to debbieshadid.com and register. Let me give you the details of why you want to do a business plan for success and for profit. And let me tell you what you can expect in the workshop. Now, we are going to be planning to create your lifestyle. That's what the Business Building Boutique is all about, is that you can create a business on your terms that fits the hours that you have available, that gives you the opportunity to coach the people that you want to coach, that gives you a path to make the kind of income that you want to make. We're also going to be creating a marketing plan for an entire year. I know that sounds crazy. Let me tell you what, in 2 hours time, this is simple, you guys. We can do this. Last year, I had 44 women join me, and 99% of them stayed through the entire workshop and they created their business plan. And that's what's going to happen for you too. So we're going to make a plan for where you market. And remember, I am in favor of organic marketing up to $100,000. So you guys are going to be able to pick your places to market, and then we're going to work on the content that you will be marketing with. The content topics, the themes, the pillars, whatever that is for your business, I'm going to help you plan that. We're going to talk about all of the thoughts that served you in 2022. We're going to look at the places where you dropped the ball. Maybe you didn't show up for yourself in 2022, and we're going to forgive ourselves for that. We're going to let it go because I don't want you bringing that baggage into 2023. We're going to look at the 50-50 of your business, because I guarantee you guys, 50% of the time you were on it. Everything was working. You were doing all the things that were inspiring. And 50% of the time, you were thinking, oh no, I'm confused. I don't know how to do this. I'm in doubt. That is how life is, 50-50. So we're going to look at that because we want to see what we need to correct. We want to course correct while we can so that we're ready for 2023. We are going to look at the sentence that you want to choose to say about your business in 2023. The one sentence that will define your business. Like, I have a plan in place for success and profit for my coaching business. That one sentence, you guys, will change your business results. Because if you take the time to work out that plan and then you practice thinking that thought, remembering that thought, and going back to your plan, you guys, it will keep you on the path to success. When you have a plan in place, you experience a lot less overwhelm. You are not stuck in, I don't know what to do or how to do it, because all you have to do is refer to the plan. So when you join me in the Ultimate Planning Workshop, I'm going to give you a workbook. I am going to teach and you're going to do all during the 2 hours together. And I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. So if your intention is to have a profitable coaching business in 2023, you better join me. Head over to debbieshadid.com and register to save your seat. And remember, we've got 2 options, Monday, December 12th or Wednesday, December 14th. I cannot wait to see you. I can't wait to help you create success in your coaching business. Make a plan for success and for profit in 2023. I will see y'all very soon. Have an amazing week. Bye-bye. Okay, ladies, that is it for today. Before we go, I want to invite you to head over to debbieshadid.com. I have this incredible Canva training specifically designed for life coaches where I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create beautiful graphics to market your life coaching business. All right, have an amazing week. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.